I'm Holly with BOOM here at ISE 2025 in Barcelona, showing you our BYOM small room kit solution. So this is a great solution for any of your kind of small to slightly larger than small meeting rooms. It allows connectivity to up to 3 total screens, multiple devices, and easy connectivity for any laptop. You've got a 4K 10x digital pan-tilt zoom camera with auto framing built in, as well as a wireless Bluetooth speaker with 12 hours of talk time, Bluetooth connectivity, and excellent echo cancellation, paired together with the Zygo that allows you to have a complete room system all in one for just any customer, any client, any employee, anyone really, to come into a room, connect with just one cable, and have access to a complete solution. If you'd like to learn more about this small room kit or any of our other kits or solutions, check it out on our website at boom.co. That's boom.co.